Good morning, Namaskar. Audible? Yes, sir. All right. Ignite with passion. How many out here usually feel that they are like a pressure cooker, whistling away with full steam while simmering with passion inside? You can be honest. Okay, enough. Good enough. So, historically, passion is defined by various aspects, by various intentions, but having the same meaning dedication. One thing I can guarantee you today, when you leave this session, you will leave with one spark, three matches, and a weekly program, a weekly system, which will help you, what we call in Yusufism, as lead from your center and not lead from your calendar. Majority of you are smartphone watches users. Fashion. Earlier, once upon a time, I used to believe that passion was something like a sports drama. Wake up at 5 o'clock, 10 chai fueled sessions, background score, thandaran. Then came life as you know it. Corporate collapse, personal tragedies, and then Sone Ka Suhaga, as people call it, the global pandemic. Everything shut down. Silence. The noise just disappeared. From that noise, vision had gone. And the remaining deafening silence that we were left with is when we decided that we had to rebuild. And the rebuild this time was more from the intention that the purpose is far more greater than the profit. Sounds very easy when you hear it. Purpose greater than side profit. But when you think about it, the impact. ठंडे दिमाग से सोचा है. Purpose is far greater than profit. Passion is Mohan Bhagwat from Swades. His dedication that he came back not for the money but for the meaning of life. Passion is that dhakar from Dangal ke 5 o'clock a.m. get up for the rigor. Passion is a Hans Zimmer concert rehearsal where the pianist and the violinist have to get the note right to the last millisecond. That collective is passion. I give you a recent example. Makes life more simpler when you have relative day-to-day examples. There's a chaiwala in our area. Not the slumdog millionaire types. His name is Arjun. He's world famous in our area. The reason being, with every cup of cutting that he gives a post-it with a one-line wisdom note. Aaj ka gyan, aaj ka suvichar. So people in that area now stop going to fancy AC cafes and will just stop by once a day at least at his cafe, at his bakara, which has now become a ready. Because they want to get that personalized note. He remembers the name of every guest who comes there. That is passion. He has scaled in life his same cart, but bigger. That small difference of care is what people normally call as gourmet. वो क्या फाइन प्लेटिंग है. मिला मुझे समोसा ही है. But it is described so beautifully in English language. Thin crusted lentils. मेरी दाल ही थी. It's passion to create something out of nothing. Just one post-it. He must be seeing whatever he sees. I mean, that one-liner brings a smile to the day. Passion is what scales more than complexity. It's care. I'm a business coach also along with my business of travel. One of my mentees is a teacher. She had this issue of discipline in her class. Whatever she tried and did, she just couldn't get the class to be attentive. So there were attendance issues, there were disciplinary issues, but obviously there were results issues. So we sat together and we worked out. We realized that her true potential was not in grading marks, but in trying to find new talent, scouting talent. So she changed her perspective a bit and she started giving marks for curiosity. And हर बच्चा चंचल होता है. Kids love curiosity. Imagine the enthusiasm in the class when they were told that they are going to be graded certain amount of marks on their curiosity levels. जिज्ञासा का कोई अंतर ही नहीं. Class changed. Attendance picked up. Results started showing better. Everybody was happy. What did she do? She just changed her angle of seeing things. What we call in Yusufism. That you have to change if you don't need to change the stage, change the script. How many of you have seen the 2013 film Chashme Badur? If you can't change the girl, change the girl. One thing you have to keep in mind, what I would suggest is the three matches that I mentioned before. One is, when you are talking about yourself, you have to realize, I keep this one line with you always. I help fill in the blanks so that they can fill in the blanks. Like, I help entrepreneurs find balance in life so that they can grow without losing themselves. That's my mission statement. You have to find yours. ऐतिहासिक रूप से हमें ये कहा जाता है कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर 1000 बार करो तो एक्सीलेंट बन ही जाओगे. But not necessarily that you have to invest 10 hours a day to do that. It is not physically possible, especially in today's Instagram time. We have so many reels to watch. How will Dhurandhar do well if we don't go and see it? मतलब रणवीर के घर का चूड़ा कैसे चलेगा? 20 minutes. 20 minutes a day if we focus on something which we want to pursue. Could be anything. But 20 minutes a day. At 20 minutes, eventually we become a habit. And I've read somewhere that if you continuously do something 40 days in a row, that habit stays. If you do that for 20 minutes a day, and then evaluate later. Always have 3 people in your life who have your back. Could be anybody. But they are like a chakdeti. They are always going to clap for you. They are always going to root for you. It's like your gully boy gang. Okay? They will shout, "Ab the time aayega!" Even after the mic shuts down. Even after the party is over, they are there rooting for you. It's like Inception. And it's like Interstellar. That you see, Inception, how many of you have seen the movie? There's one simple idea. That purity of idea is what becomes your totem for a reality check. Now everybody's sitting here with partners around, so I would request you to do one small exercise, is speak to the person next to you. And if you're sitting 3, then 2 people catch up. And just mention a 10-word passion pitch which you have always wanted to pursue in life. There's no right or wrongs here. It is what you wanted to pursue for whatever reasons you did not. Like, I designed simple exercise for moms to feel strong daily. Is an example. Try doing that. Try it. You can talk to your neighbor. She won't bite. Feels better when you voice it out. You've let it out into the universe. That's the oxygen which your flame needs. Like, how many have seen Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara? The first confession after the car ride, after the skydive or the sea dive. It's that feeling. Imagine if you do this regularly. That fans the flame. That flame is passion. From where I come from in my area, ऐसे काफी सारे नमूने मिलते रहते हैं. There is a cab driver. He शाम के टाइम पे ट्रैफिक इज यूनिवर्सल इन मुंबई. कहीं भी हो, कांदिवली हो या गुलाबा. When he sits, has his savari, he sees the mood of the guest and he puts on a music list. on his Spotify. He says, sir, traffic is bad, music is good. Suddenly, the passenger who has had a very bad day, historically मुंबई में किसी का दिन अच्छा नहीं रहता, स्पेशली जब वो शाम को 6 बजे घर जा रहे होते हैं. किसी को ट्रेन में सब्जी काटनी है, किसी को टैक्सी में घर पहुंचना है, किसी को ये झंझट का घर जाके मुझे और एक और कुछ करना है. So nobody is happy in the journey reaching home. भले monorail हो या AC train or your AC Ubers, there is always an X amount of rage which you have and you want to just get back home. So in that duration, suddenly he has managed to add a spark to the person's ride. His referrals increased, his tipping increased, and that ride became a ritual. Suddenly for anywhere from 15 minutes to 35 minutes, he provided that joy to that human being who was sitting behind, who felt wanted, because somebody is doing something for me. It is like he has managed to get the spirit of the pursuit of happiness and put it into that tight, claustrophobic environment the person is sitting behind. क्योंकि उनके जहन में तो यही है कि मुझे अभी 50 चीजें पटानी है, कब मैं ये राइड खत्म करूं. That process he has made enjoyable. So when the person leaves, he'll always remember. He might not remember 50 things of what he did in the day or what his or her boss told him, but he will remember. ऐसी सही था, हमारी ऐसे ही मिलना चाहिए. होता सबके पास है लेकिन देता कोई नहीं. In our last 7-day cohort that we have done, I realized that 2/3 people managed to follow that habit which I was talking about for 30 days. Why? Not that it's so difficult or it's so easy. It's just routine. But what we should do is, your motivation has to come from within. You have to keep on checking on it. You have to have your team. And that spark has to be there within yourself. Like, for example, everybody loves Tony Stark. He can jump from the Avengers Tower and at the 3rd floor the suit Mark II will gear up. It's not the bravado of Tony Stark people love. It is his Iron Man suit, which for the lack of a better word, is systems. His systems are in place कि मैं जब भी बोलूंगा Mark II will come and get me up and I will not fall, I will fly. That is the brilliance of Tony Stark. When he says in Avengers first part, billionaire, philanthropist, playboy, scientist, inventor. The fact that his systems are in place can allow him to take the flight. We have to get our own internal systems in place so that we can take the flight of fantasy, whichever it is for us. Burnout is a thing of the past, pre-pandemic. You have to burn bright if you want to strive further. For that, first and foremost, set your boundaries. First, do your stop time. करण जौहर फिल्मों में जब तक रायचंद खानदान में ड्रामा नहीं होगा, सूरज हुआ मध्यम की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. बच्चन साहब जब वो लाइब्रेरी में खड़े होंगे 7 माले की किताबें के साथ, जो पूरे खानदान में किसी ने पढ़ी नहीं है, लेकिन वो किताबें हैं लाइब्रेरी में, वो वहां खड़े होकर कर क्या रहे किसी को नहीं पता, मगर वो ड्रामा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Similarly, your stop time is more important because it defines that, okay, I have to finish so much amount of work in so much amount of time. That leads to discipline. That discipline is what drives your passion. Your body is your battery. It needs to be hydrated. It needs rest. It needs adequate movement. That battery is going to drive your passion. Do a weekly check-in. 10 minutes. What I have been doing this full week, is it right? Is this worth continuing? Is this what I want to do? If the answer is yes, continue. If no, course correct. It's like Interstellar. You go by the why, not by the waves. One more test. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. And just think you are sitting in a park like Forrest Gump. 20 years later, your future self is asking you one question. Which passion of yours did you ignore today which could have lit up the world. There are no rights or wrongs. Now open your eyes. Everybody has phones. Write that thought down in your phones in a note section. 99% that is that spark which you always wanted in life, but you are letting go. Keep this 7-day thing in mind. Very handy, very easy, very difficult to write down. Your 10-word pitch you already made. Try and declutter your life. Let one thing go which is not adding any value to yourself. Could be anything. For some, it is social media. For some, it is just sitting and looking outside the window aimlessly. Whatever doesn't add value to your existence. Your existence is defined by you. Your goals are defined by you. 20-minute skill we spoke about. Build one tiny asset at a time. It could be one post, one prototype, one unit, but one at a time. Think Rocky Balboa. When he runs up the stairs, he doesn't take one leap like Bahubali. He runs one step at a time. Keep that in mind. Have your team ready with you. The one cheerleader, one person who say, even if you do jack shit, बहुत सही किया, daring तो दिखाया. A weekly checklist, as we spoke about. Normally Sundays. Am I on the right course? If yes, move on. And this is the most important. In my book also I mentioned this. You have to celebrate the small wins. Could be a cup of tea, could be just a dance. That's a selfie. But you have to celebrate the small wins. Because that small win celebration gives you that momentum to move forward with enough gusto, enough energy, and enough passion. So I would like to sum it up with this, that your purpose in life is far greater than your profit. And second, systemize your spark with the 7-day routine that I suggested to you. You can modify that. There's no hard and fast rule. मैं भी कोई भगवान के दिन से सीख के नहीं आया था. भगवत गीता में पढ़ा है, वही reproduce किया है. लेकिन systemize it. And you will realize that your passion eventually will be the only reason and the main reason which brings peace in your mind. And peace in its whisper is far greater than the loud noise which erstwhile success made. That's my time. Thank you very much, Shabakir.